What's up, folks? Heine's morning update. June 10th, post CPI. CPI pointed at 8.6, highest since 1981. Some of you guys in this room weren't even born yet. Anyway, we have a huge gap from 39.90 to 4,000. I would assume that this is going to be filled. From a TPO, this is a structure bearish aspect. So you've got all your consolidation up here and then straight down. 58 level, that should, as of now, should hold. We'll see if this continues back. Here's your 3-minute, your spike down, you're up. We're working on an inside candle now. So we'll see if it spikes and then returns. That could very well be. I'd like to see this big, huge gap filled at some point. Your downside targets after, so 58 is just below your 60 and above your 54. So that's a decent level. So look for, 60, 54 level right here. Well, now it's 58, 54. Your next one down is 13, 39.30, 39.13, and then 3,900. 3,900 should hold. 39.06, 3,900. It's technically 39.06, I think, is the level. But there it is. That area should hold, 3,900, 39.06. That would take us down, 120, 130 points. So on extreme far down, if we got down there early, I think a PCS would be, I would probably buy that. Again, still the gap. We're still hovering down. We've got time until the cash opens, so a lot can happen. The news feed's going to be crazy today. Please keep an eye on the euro and the dollar. As you can see, the dollar, prior, we had a 108 to 103 range in the euro USD, and we went to 103 half. We rallied all the way back up to 107.7, and now we're down below 106 again at 105.5. So this is something I'm keeping an eye on. If the dollar or the euro doesn't hold the 103 level, then it's going to get really crazy, and we expose some downside risk in the equities as the dollar is going to really push this down. My guess is that this is just because they know that all hikes are going to be full press now. That's why you're seeing what you're seeing, is because the Fed is now going to have to hold true on their rate hikes, even though hiking into inflationary aspect is ridiculous. We do have a cash gap down here, 39.84 to 39.78. So I'm assuming that if we open, we're going to open up around here if it opens here. So that'll probably be filled. And that would pretty much clean up our cash gaps down to the 38.10 from a couple days ago. So we'll see. Please be careful. We could see a huge reversal in this and they bring this higher. You still have OPEX on next Friday. So, I take all these huge moves with a grain of salt. Be nimble because anything can happen today. Again, that gap remains. I think they'll fill that before the open. I think it'd be funny if we went back to UNCH. From a daily aspect, this was your former 170. It was like 186 to 41 or 4070. So that 4070 level, 6870 level is going to be huge. You have a lot of moving averages there as well. So I wouldn't be surprised if we reversed back and saw that and went higher. That's just me. I just think that that's going to screw the most people with this day. But anyway, I could be wrong. We're still in that volume void and this is a 2-year volume aspect. So if we get it back above 70, we'll be okay. 39.06, 3,900, I think would be extreme low. If we get down to that level, then I would either be buying or definitely put a PCS on or look to. Don't jump right in. Anyway, so please be careful. The swings are going to be hard today. VIX is already up to 27. It spiked up 27.5, so 27.11. Euro starting to fall back down. Tilt spiked. So just keep an eye on all your stuff and be careful. If you see profit, take profit. Don't stick around in these trades because anything can happen today. And anyway, so stay safe, and I'll be in the room all day.